On the raise your hand, something I've been doing quite often. Yeah, loving it. How do I change it when I'm leaving a voicemail, or do I keep it exactly the same?
Exactly the same. And when you're actually talking to somebody and you're raising your hand, you have to resist the urge to sell them in that moment. For those of you that weren't there yesterday when we had a breakthrough on this, okay, I just wanted to reach out to you personally, raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I live and breathe this stuff. It's really something that I've devoted my life to. Anything you need in terms of XYZ or ABC, whatever it is that you sell, or more importantly, the outcome, deal me in. I'm happy to help you whether you're a client or not, even if it's just bounce an idea off of somebody, get a second opinion. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. When they answer, same thing. Hey, thanks so much for taking my call. Hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Now, the only way this would ever turn into a sales thing is if they go, I'm glad you called, Will. We actually have an issue with imaging right now. Now Will's going to go, when you say you've got an issue, can you give me a specific example of what's going on? Right now he's going to be able to pivot. But if Will makes those calls, all Will has to do is make 10 of those calls a day, and he's going to 3, 5, 7x his quota for the year. This is literally that powerful, yet nobody does it. Because we're lazy and we don't like to reach out to people. What we talked about yesterday, for all of you that missed, is Will, and I'm going to try and come up with an example for Will in imaging. If all of you can figure out the people that are tangentially related to your business. So Rick with his painting company, he might want to reach out to electrical companies. Why the hell would Rick want to reach out to electrical companies? Because they scratch walls. Hey, I wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of painting with projects that you're on, or you just have a question, or your people are thinking they're maybe going to kind of cover up the scuff marks themselves, and you just want a second opinion on something, deal me in. I live and breathe residential painting, especially on the interior side, and I'm happy to help you guys, whether it's a client of yours or not. All Rick would have to do is make 10 of those calls a day. Right? Maybe Will is going to reach out to, I don't know, I'm just thinking in imaging, electrical contractors, building managers. Hey, I just want to raise my hand, let you know if you guys are ever working on any projects and that project is, potentially, or Jake, architects, right? You have a question on voltage, on space. Deal me in. I live and breathe medical imaging. I'm happy to help you, whether it's a project we're working on or not. Happy to help. All Will would have to do is raise his hand with a bunch of people. The next thing you know, all these people that design the rooms where operation, well, it's not operation because it's imaging, where imaging is going to happen, now they start calling Will. Right? Hey, what are we hearing are the size of these things going to come down? Just out of curiosity, why do you ask? Right, well, we got a couple projects where we're trying to stuff 11 of them in one building, and the rooms are really tight. When you say tight, can you give me a specific example? Right? Boom, now all of a sudden Will's in a deal. Guys, all you have to do is raise your hand on that. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun, and you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.